Good morning, dear student. Dear student, your sixth chapter is completed. Okay. So today we start the new chapter. Okay, and your chapter name is algorithm and flowchart. Okay, that's algorithm and flow chart. Okay, so that's your new chapter. So student, in this chapter we learn about the flowchart, program and algorithm. Okay, so as told earlier, the computer needs step-by-step instruction, okay, to do any work or solve any problem. Okay, student? Yes. So computer needs step-by-step instructions to do any work or solve any problem. Okay? Yes. So and these instructions are given in the form of programs. Okay, so which are written automatically and then sequentially, okay, to get the accurate result. Algorithm and flowchart are used to create a program. Okay, student, algorithm और flowchart क्या होता है? हम किसी प्रोग्राम को क्रिएट करने में उसका यूज करते हैं. ओके, यस. So in the computer. So in this chapter, student, we are going to learn about algorithm and flowchart only. Okay. So algorithm. First topic is algorithm. What is algorithm? Okay, so first of all, algorithm से पहले हम लोग जानेंगे what is program. Okay, student? Yes. So that's, student, computer understand instruction in its language. You know well. Okay, computer understand instruction in its language. So this instruction are given sequentially in a proper manner called program. Okay, yes. Student, कोई भी प्रोग्राम बनता है तो क्या होता है, स्टेप बाय स्टेप, ओके, जो है सीक्वेंसली ऑर्डर में एक प्रॉपर मैनर वे में प्रोग्राम राइट होता है. ओके, यस. सो इन प्रोग्रामिंग बेसिकली देयर आर थ्री स्टेप्स. First, algorithm. Second, flowchart. And third is program. Yes. So here are three steps for the programming. Okay. Yes. So algorithm creating an algorithm using simple English, and flowchart representing a flowchart, and program that's converting a flowchart into program. Okay, so that's clear. So let's see, the first topic is algorithm. What is algorithm? So algorithm is defined as a formal set of instruction. Okay, what is algorithm? Algorithm is a set of instruction. Okay, yes. So what is algorithm? So algorithm is defined as a formal set of instruction. Okay, it is used to perform a specific work such as solving a logical or mathematical problem. Okay, yes. For example, student, if we want to find some two number, okay, so we take first number, then second number and add them to get the result. Okay, and an algorithm is a step by step process. So here are, look page number 91. Let's write an algorithm for getting ready for school. Okay, yes. So एक एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू स्टूडेंट यहाँ बताया गया है कि व्हाट इज एल्गोरिथम. तो एल्गोरिथम को डिफाइन, दैट मीन्स सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन, कैसे स्टेप बाय स्टेप हम राइट करेंगे इन एल्गोरिथम में, वो दिखाया गया है. तो एग्जाम्पल क्या लिखा है, गेटिंग रेडी फॉर स्कूल, दैट मीन्स स्टूडेंट हम स्कूल के लिए कैसे रेडी होते हैं. ओके, या सो फर्स्ट just example for getting ready for school. Okay, so कैसे होते हैं स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट फर्स्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं. स्टेप टू वेकअप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, वेकअप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, and step 3 brush your teeth. Step 4 take a bath. Step 5 and dress up yourself in a uniform. Step 6 have a breakfast. Step 7 pack your bag. Step 8 reach to the bus stand. And step 9 take the bus. And reach to school. And step 10 stop. Okay, so student understand what is algorithm. Yes, so that's algorithm is a formal set of instruction. Clear? Yeah, so it is used to perform a specific work such as solving a logical or mathematical problem. So just this example for the process, for the step. What's question? For getting ready for school. That means स्कूल के लिए हम लोग कैसे रेडी होते हैं. फर्स्ट स्टार्ट. ओके, यस. सो स्टार्ट स्टेप वन स्टूडेंट. किसी भी जो है वर्क के लिए पहले हम क्या स्टेप फर्स्ट करेंगे? स्टार्ट. ओके, यस. देन सेकेंड टू वेक अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. ओके, हम लोग क्या करते हैं? सुबह जल्दी उठते हैं. स्टेप थ्री ब्रश योर टीथ. फिर हम लोग उठने के बाद क्या करते हैं? ब्रश करते हैं. ओके, एंड फ्रेश होते हैं. एंड स्टेप फोर टेक ए बाथ. ओके, बात करते हैं. एंड स्टेप फाइव ड्रेस अप योर सेल्फ इन यूनिफॉर्म. फिर हम लोग क्या करते हैं? अपना जो है ड्रेस पहनते हैं. स्टेप सिक्स हैव ए ब्रेकफास्ट. फिर हम लोग ब्रेकफास्ट लेते हैं. स्टेप सेवन पैक योर बैग. फिर हम लोग पैक करते हैं अपने बैग को. स्टेप एट रीच टू द बस स्टैंड. फिर हम लोग क्या करते हैं स्टूडेंट? अपने बस स्टैंड पर हम लोग जाते हैं. एंड स्टेप नाइन टेक द बस एंड रीच टू द स्कूल. और फिर हम लोग क्या करते हैं? बस पकड़ते बैठते हैं या देते हैं एंड और स्कूल पहुंचते हैं. एंड स्टेप 10 स्टॉप. ओके, व्हाई स्टॉप? बिकॉज दैट्स माय वर्क एंड प्रोग्राम is completed at here. Okay, yes. What my task? That's your instruction for only getting ready the school. Okay, आपका इंस्ट्रक्शन कहां तक के लिए था? गेटिंग रेडी फॉर स्कूल तक के लिए था. ओके, यस. सो लेट्स कंप्लीट द स्टेप एंड इंस्ट्रक्शन. वी कैन से दैट विथ 10 स्टेप. ओके, फॉर गेटिंग रेडी फॉर स्कूल. Clear? And student, in book have a second other example. Okay, that's to add any two numbers. टू नंबर को ऐड करने के लिए हम लोग कैसे स्टेप को राइट करेंगे? ओके, सो हाउ विल बी write the step for to add any two number. Okay, yes. So I will look page number 91. So turn the page and understand what is algorithm. And second topic is flow chart. Okay student, flow chart. I hope that you understand well what is algorithm. Okay, so look, the next topic is flow chart. So flow chart, so that's graphical representation of the problem solving process or an algorithm in which decision steps are laid out in logical order is called flow chart. Okay, so to make a flow chart we need some geometrical shapes, okay, and symbols. So each symbols represent a specific types of activity. Okay, so here 6 shape and 6 specific type of activity and 6 symbol are here. First, look the student. First, that's oval shape. Okay, yes. So this shape, oval shape, used for start, oblique, stop. Okay. Yes. So this shape used for start any program and stop that program. Okay. Yes. Second. So it is called start or stop box. It is used to display the beginning and the end of the flow chart. And second, parallelogram. Okay, so that's parallelogram for input and output box. That's parallelogram shape. And third shape is processing box. That's processing box, rectangle, triangle, and that's processing box. So that's parallelogram. So that's parallelogram shape used for the input and output instruction. Okay, yeah. So this symbol is called input output box, and it is used to show the instruction related to input and getting the result, okay, as output. And processing box, that's rectangle. So this symbol is called processing box. It is used to display the processing part of the flow chart, okay, calculation, etc. And fourth, rhombus. So that's rhombus. Rhombus shape. This is a decision box. This is a decision box. So this shape used for that, check the condition are to the display the comparison, okay, and take decision according to condition. It can also be called a diamond shape box, okay. And have the other one. Fifth, flow chart line. This one, that arrows, and flow line. And six, connector, that circle, that's connector. So that's flow line. Arrow are called flow lines. These are used to connect and indicate the flow of data in the flow chart. And this symbol, that's arrow, circle, it is used to join the part of one flow chart to another, okay. Yes, so have some rule for the flow chart, okay. So what's the rule? First rule is the flow chart generally flows from top to bottom and left to right, okay. Yes, and flow chart should be clear, neat and easy to follow. And third, arrowheads indicate the flow and sequence of information. And fourth, you should use connector if your flow chart is too long to adjust in one sheet, okay. Yes, so flow chart क्या होना चाहिए, one page में adjust कर लेना चाहिए. And fifth, crossing flow lines don't indicate that there is any logical connection between those lines, okay. Yes, so student, look the flow chart. How will we draw the flow chart according to the condition, okay. And suppose converting the algorithm into flow chart, okay. So you know that's step for getting ready for school. Okay. First step 1, start, and second step 2, wake up early in the morning, and step 3, go for washroom, and step 4, brush your teeth, step 5, take bath, step 6, dress up, yourself in uniform, step 7, have breakfast, step 8, pack up your bag, step 9, reach to the bus stand, and step 10, take the bus and reach to the school, and last step 11, that's start. Okay, so student, this is a algorithm. Okay, so that's algorithm how we will convert into flowchart. Okay, suppose you have that algorithm. Okay, so that's start. Here is start, so this is oval shape. Okay, yes, and this is a processing. So in the rectangle box, all of them here, starting from to that here. Okay, so that's all work for processing. Okay, so all instruction will be right in the rectangle box. Okay, and that's stop in rectangular, that's oval shape. Okay, yeah, so because step 2 to step 10. Okay, this is a processing, why do, so that's to that. Okay student, do that type, convert into flowchart. Okay, yes, of algorithm. Clear? हम लोग जो एल्गोरिथम स्टेप बाय स्टेप हम लोग क्या करते हैं स्टूडेंट, राइट करते हैं इंस्ट्रक्शन को. सो उसी को हम लोग क्या करते हैं, राइट की स्टेप इंस्ट्रक्शन के अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग फ्लो चार्ट में कन्वर्ट करते हैं। और फ्लो चार्ट में डिफरेंट टाइप के शेप होते हैं, ओवल, रेक्टेंगल, रोम्बस, ओके, एरो, डिसीजन। सो अब ये डिपेंड करता है कि आपके इंस्ट्रक्शन में क्या आ रहा है। ओके, यस, सो हाउ व्हाट विल बी कम इन आवर इंस्ट्रक्शन, सो विल बी यूज द शेप अकॉर्डिंग द इंस्ट्रक्शन। ओके, सो हम लोग इंस्ट्रक्शन के अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग फ्लो चार्ट में शेप को यूज करेंगे। ओके स्टूडेंट, क्लियर? So in the next class will we do the question answer. Thank you so much, student. Have a good day.